My name is Marco Gil Cervantes and I'm the Chief Executive of Promo Cymru. We do a lot of work around communication strategies, new media. We also run the Ebervale Institute and run a number of helplines. A lot of the work is around working directly with young people, families and communities and helping them create positive change. We work with young people, families and communities as the first base. Those are the groups directing what we do. So organisations willing to take a risk, take those steps that are sometimes difficult to take and create a new projects and new services that is going to make a positive effect on them. We know we can help to change lots of young people's lives. The future holds new services that people want. I think it's really important for young people to have the information they need to make good decisions.
I'm Val Hawkins and I'm Chief Executive of MWT Cymru.
I'm Zoe and I'm Digital Project Manager for MWT Cymru. MWT is a not-for-profit membership organisation for tourism businesses. It is about making sure our businesses stay ahead of the competition.
We work with around 550 businesses who are directly in membership and of course many more in the wider tourism community. I think what attracts businesses to join Midwest Tourism as a member is that we've developed a considerable expertise in our field. We have an extensive regional website, Visit Mid Wales, which generates in the region of about 1.4 million page views a month, so considerable presence online for a business working with us.
MWT is always looking for new ways to use technology. We work closely with our tourism businesses, helping them stay ahead of digital trends. And this autumn, we'll be launching a new Slow TV campaign, which is the first time this technology will be used in the UK for destination marketing.